back to my episode, and today I'm with the other multiplayer again. I know I didn't post, but still. So guys, see. So I was mining a bit offline. The last episode I died while trying to mine diamonds. I got a bit iron, not down. I just got from this cave remains. So I'm going to keep that on the smell after I get.
Oh,
Wait.
thank, my iron is done.
Wait, you also had some iron?
I had 31.
Oh, I put it at 16.
Down this hole.
Okay.
The ones are going down this hole.
Actually, now it is useful why you went mining.
Down this hole.
No, don't yet. Come back up. We need to give you equipment. Not with only an iron pickaxe. We have 42 iron. We can go get ready a bit.
Abig's going.
We are not going without everyone. Be ready. Oh, I got my 3 iron.
I'm sure I had a sword. No, not crafting. Sticks. I don't even have sticks.
I'm making a shield for myself as well.
I also need a sword.
I can't make anything. Guys, give me equipment.
You can give him. I'm going down now.
I'm too.
Now everyone is allowed to go down because this is my cave.
Please, Abig, give me something.
Make him like a iron pickaxe and even give him what we say a shield. Done.
Also, you can get a shield.
I don't.
And give him an iron pickaxe. He also needs some things. So guys, I'm almost down. I'm already down.
Did you give me wood?
Guys, be ready because when you guys go down, there's directly lava. There's not the diamonds there. The diamonds are somewhere. There's an enderman. There's an enderman. There's an enderman. There's an
Do not
enderman.
look at him. Close your eyes at once.
Yeah, I'm not even looking at him. Now I will. Because I'm in a 2x2 hole.
There is lava everywhere.
Wait, I'm seeing his
I
eyes.
have an iron pick. I'm just coming down. And if this is enderman, I'm gonna just go back up.
Of my wooden sword.
I don't because
Wait. I need to kill this enderman. He's stupid. Hey, I got him. Hey, I got some iron. Wait, we forgot to get torches.
yes, almost fell.
You have some any coal to make torches?
I have
So
coal.
we need to fight.
Make torch.
I have 31 coal.
Wait, we are mining the diamonds at the last.
I'm just seeing with them. I found lapis. Lapis.
Okay.
Who's so excited about this?
I got 23 torches.
Okay, you can you be with me because I might need because I'm keep mining in iron. Because for now we can only make an what we say iron set of armor, diamond set of armor is going to be very
much
expensive.
coal. So much.
Where?
I'm on.
Bro, where you guys are just leaving me behind?
I'm very close near you.
I found the diamonds.
Yeah, but don't mine it.
Yes, I'll just block some.
Wait, there's some iron also here, Nathan.
I can't mine it. I don't have any, thing to mine.
Wait, you didn't give him the iron. Iron.
No, I
pickaxe?
gave him what we say wood and he could have gotten the iron.
Hey, who pushed me?
And nobody. I didn't. I'm not even that close.
You were near me.
I was not so near that I could touch you.
Oh, I'm near on the. No. I'm blocking the place where I died. The pool of bad place.
The pool of lava.
The pool of death.
Death. Lava is not death.
Hey, then why are you getting some diamonds?
Who dies from lava?
I didn't know. I was just standing on it. I got the 4 diamonds. There was lava over there, and I didn't want to risk any of our diamonds. Sorry, guys, but I needed to know.
Okay.
Oh, I found my furnace here. I think I kept some iron in here somewhere.
Ah!
Yes, I kept my 22 iron and my 40 coal. I'm set for
I
coal.
almost died.
Hey,
Almost died. And I
bad
jumped.
job. You can see my expression. No, bad job.
I almost died. I jumped from
You did-
here to here and I risked my life.
Basically, you didn't even have any valuables. I have the valuables. You guys need to save me now. I have the diamonds.
You have the diamonds and we are risking our lives.
Bro, I'm gonna give for now I have 4 diamonds only, so I can only make what we say a diamond pickaxe, only one.
I found some redstone.
Yeah.
Guys, my best friend Nathan is like redstone lover. He can't just live without redstone. Redstone is his
You
full
think I
life.
can make this jump? No, there's no way.
I already had full stack of torches.
I have 7 torches.
I have a full stack. Redstone. Who wants redstone can come near me.
But I'm not mining right now.
You're mining useless things, coal.
And iron and gold.
Oh, I'm mining for now. I'm mining iron. Why I already got 16 iron.
I'm gonna come near him and I'm gonna get that redstone.
You can take it. I don't care because all is going to afterwards go to Nathan only.
Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah, he's the redstone guy. He's only going to use the redstone for our house, Nathan, right?
Yes.
I found more redstone.
I found redstone.
I found more redstone.
Oh, where you are standing, that's my redstone. I've invited everyone to come and take
Hey,
that.
hey, I'm near you.
Yeah, so
Give me
I'm...
redstone.
No, I didn't mine even a bit.
Okay.
Hey. Ah, cheat is allowed on my channel. No worries.
Now if there's any mobs, I have this thing on my hands. Can you give me some iron? Please, I
You should have waited there because the furnace is smelling so much iron. Hey, Ashme, come here. I have very valuable thing for you to mine.
Please, iron. Please, the iron.
Here, coal. If you mine all of this coal, this both coal, I'll give you iron.
Coal.
Yeah, if you mine both of the coal, I'll give you iron.
You want me to punch you right now?
No, I'll give you iron if you mine the coal. If you want the iron, I'll give you if you mine the coal. I'll mine here coal. You can mine there.
If I find diamonds then.
You have to be careful and mine them. Wait, you found it means. Okay, but still, be near you, my mic, and speak a bit loud, Nathan, please. Because I don't think so in the last episode anyone was able to hear you. And guys, it wasn't my problem. I'm still communicating with him. If you want, whatever he talks to me, I'll just make him type in the chat, or I'll type in the chat. Wait, I'm scared now he's going to talk the whole flipping episode. For me to write everything. Type, I don't care. Type. Wait.
I got disconnected.
Wait, why did you both guys again and again get disconnected? But you guys would have all your flute.
Gabu, Gigi.
You're not a baby. Okay, I think for this much coal will be enough. Let me go in front.
What?
You guys came back to the positions you guys were, right? Nathan, can you make your small brother stop doing that googie goga?
Fine.
I requested Nathan, not you, ma'am.
Now where's my iron?
You mind all? Hey, you didn't mind all. There's some here.
Shouldn't we get lapis?
Yeah, you can take iron. Wait, we can make an lapis. I just talked about lapis, and now you are. No, I already passed from there. Wait, there's iron on top of that.
First I'm getting lapis.
I think iron is more useful. I think iron is way more useful. You mind all? No, I'll give you now. I'll give.
No, there's gravel everywhere.
Take 22 iron. I find that, but don't waste every single thing.
I'm not wasting. I'm just making my own pick.
No, you're not using every single bit. Now you can make an iron pick, but not use every single bit of it.
Yes.
I
Redstone.
have 19 iron.
If we actually explore the whole cave, I'm feeling there's more.
Of course there's more.
Ooh, I found some iron. I found the way.
Where are you both?
You both are. We forgot to get our maps, right?
No.
You can just, because I don't have my map, I lost it.
So
I'm nearby you.
You just come to me, no? There's iron there. This is actually, it connects to a very big cave. You should come here. You can help me mine stuff.
Please tell me where is iron. Oh wait, I can find
How?
Because I'm on coordinate 15 and 15 is close to 17.
We don't find on 70. And I think in this cave, how many diamonds are there? Now I own them.
All?
Yeah, like every single bit.
No, I don't think you only got 4.
Yeah, but they might.
Oh.
Wait, be careful. There was lava.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Wait. Come, you came up.
Yes.
Woo. Jeez, I just blocked one side. Wait, we'll go that side after we explore a bit of here. Wait, this is obsidian, means there might be some diamonds around here. Dig around here, dig.
But you told I think I got every single bit.
But there might be more.
Look, I'm a diamond. I thought there was diamond.
What, where are you?
But this God gifted me coal.
Ray.
Wait, I'm near some the waterfall over there. Why do you guys get so excited because of lapis? We don't even have. We can make an enchantment table, but we won't be able to make anything else then. And we don't even have
Where are
obsidian.
you?
There's the water, no, over there. Can you see that?
Yes.
I'm going up the water. Sheesh. Ooh, I went way more up now. I don't know where I even went. I'm just searching for some iron. Wait, I can see you totally down of me. Ow.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at me.
You found diamonds?
No, but I'm here.
Okay.
Literally, both of you, where are you?
You can just see my name tag.
Now I see.
And now I'm bye-bye.
Huh?
I'm good. Bye-bye.
Who hit me?
Bro, we are not even near you.
I'm dying. Oh, I don't have food.
Yeah, silly you. I have like.
I have 9 4, so.
You have to share with me.
Some.
I gave you my mutton also, no? Remember?
Yes.
You have to share with me also, no?
I need food now.
I have only lost
I
one
got
hunger bar.
I got 5 redstone. Great.
Bro, I'm gonna actually trade redstone with Awake a lot to get money.
Said that redstone.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna use you to get some money, boys.
No. Sorry.
No, I mean like I'm gonna trade you redstone
Now I need to think about it.
afterward, but I don't have yet any. Oh, I died. Almost.
You died?
Don't. Almost. Wait, why am I doing the dangerous oak? I'm most valuable almost here. Because I have what we say, the diamonds. Wait, I can see the iron.
I can see redstone.
We need to risk our lives.
You need to risk your lives for iron and redstone.
Yeah.
I'm just getting some redstone for Eddie. But you don't have to risk your life.
Oh, I'm already risking for the iron.
We need to risk it for the biscuit.
Yeah. Bro, I'm actually scared because I actually have the diamond.
Okay, there goes my redstone. But I found some iron.
I'm still risking for the other iron.
More gold.
Bro, you're mad of gold or what? Gold is kind of useless. It breaks very quick. Gold stuff breaks very
But
quick.
it's very fast.
Yeah, but it breaks very quick.
In real life,
And it's
you know how precious gold is?
We are not playing real life, no?
You have found obsidian and I have an iron pickaxe.
We are not playing live.
What?
Oh my god! Oh no, zombie!
Oh. Why do I
Oh no, wait, I just found a dungeon.
Wait, you found?
Yes, a dungeon.
Where are you?
Over here near you.
Dungeon.
What's a dungeon?
You need to block every. It's a spawner with some what we
Please,
say.
I want the loot, please.
You You can take the loot, but away. I'm at least checking a bit.
Okay.
What was in here? Wait. Oh, I wanted a bit. Wait, that eye of that Enderpearl is mine. I killed the Enderman. Remember? You walked towards it and you took it. But remember, you have to share everything, every bit.
I found a good reveal.
Now
Yes.
now I've only one bar.
Iron. Oh, this dungeon is very good. It contained iron for me.
I just wasted like 50 of my stone.
I don't think so. The viewers can hear you also, Shmik.
I wasted 50 of my stone.
You need to come here.
Cool.
I have 57, and I made him mine very cold for just some iron. I was making him work for salary.
Oh my god, a skeleton!
You scared of a freaking skeleton?
Where is the bad boy? You hit my friend. Oh, now I'm also scared of. Guys, he's about to kill me. He's about to kill me.
I see an enderman. I see an enderman.
You go in the wall, make a 2 space, and start killing him. Give me some food, please. Give me my 7 mutton back at least.
Sir, you didn't give me 7 mutton. Oh yeah, you did. Take this.
Because I need some food, no? You threw it way far.
Hey, enderman.
I already have 38 iron. Wait, that's not worth it yet. Because I know where the diamonds might be. Because from where we were coming, there were a lot of diamonds.
Really? Then what diamond?
No, not diamonds, but there was a big, large lava pool. And near lava pool, there are diamonds.
Really?
Yeah. But wait, from where did we come?
Are we lost?
Nope, we aren't. I found the way back. Because I found the dungeon.
Please, I want to mine you.
Hey, enderman.
You type hey.
I didn't know him. He just left me. He just left me.
No one wants to live with you.
He just left me.
No one wants to be with you, even at the mob.
Even a bomb doesn't want to be with me. Even a
Side, where's the diamonds?
Bro, I'm saying we need to search around. No, the diamonds are not gonna say, hello, I'm here. Bro, if there is a mod pack, the diamond says, hello, I'm here. Oh wow, that's gonna be like, la 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 la.
doesn't want to be.
Wait, there's so many iron here and golds.
What?
Gold, there's gold here.
Oh wait, is it you know what we call it? Red?
Bro, he tapped sadness in the chat. Bro, now I'm gonna invite him in every single of my video.
Why?
He was kind of funny about writing sadness in the chat.
You were gonna invite me in the after.
Multiplayer series video.
Yeah?
Yeah, because basically you're a part of our multiplayer series. Obviously, I'm gonna be that. It's not like Abhik and me are only part. You started placing torch. I was mining a lot of iron.
Now I just chat my emotion.
You can even chat everything. Don't even need to say anything. Just chat.
I don't know who Felix supports takes. I'm just 7 years old.
Yeah, he's Nathan and we are big, not him. I told you guys, he's the small brother. Small. La, 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 la,
I'm
la.
lost here.
Ashok, I will find you.
Nathan, come on, leave him. We need money. Wait, you're finding him there. Very good. Very good of a job.
Ashok, you're so far away.
But he is near our entrance. I don't even care about him. I'm just
Let's
materials.
find him. Let's find him, okay?
Wait, first materials.
Fine.
Ooh, la la. There's so much materials here. Wait, it goes down. Where I am here, it goes way down.
Where are you?
Can't you see my name tag? Oh, first I'm gonna mine the iron here.
Oh my gosh.
I told you to chat everything.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're gonna use that now, huh? Smart boy.
I'm just gonna use the voice one.
Oh, I came from somewhere else. Sorry, I just took the wrong direction.
Help, 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 help.
Now let's go on the surface.
Wait. Come here. This is good. This goes deep. We might find. Wait. There's lapis.
Lapis?
Lapis?
Lapis? Pussycat?
Oh, that's my brother.
The
They
brother's
want-
name is
they want-
Pussycat.
Yeah.
They want Avix calling you a pussycat.
No, I'm calling. He called my brother.
Pussycat. Cat. Cat. Cat.
Okay. Redstone.
Redstone?
You need to risk your life for it.
No, I found redstone over here without redstone.
Oh, there. And there's some gold also.
Look what I chatted.
Yeah. Every single of my viewers can see that.
I am stupid.
Actually, I'm mining this so that when we go in the nether, I can just make a gold boat.
More
I'm
lapis.
all alone. I'm all alone.
Has it come to us?
Actually, I'm taking this gold. You didn't mine the gold? I can't believe it.
Redstone.
Yeah, you just saw redstone. That's why I forgot gold. Okay, I really need help. I am alone. Please help. Wow. You want to help him? I don't think so.
I want to help him.
Wait, I mined the gold over there, but my inventory was full. Hey, I'm breaking that.
Can you see my name tag?
No, he has a map, so like Nathan can
I can
navigate.
see on Instagram. Let's go save him.
Who's the ones?
Ray, let's go and save him.
Yeah, now that's better.
My inventory is also full, about to full. There's 2 more spaces.
Mine's fully full of nonsense also. Oh, one thing is no nonsense. Diamonds in my inventory.
So remove those.
You kidding me? Wait, I found a way big cave. Oh, I'm sure now I'm going to get what we say diamonds.
Where are you?
Wait, I'm. Wait, Ashmika is down me.
Where are you? Please say. Come.
Wait, you're also very near me now.
No, just come near me.
See my name tag.
Yeah, okay, so I need to come here.
Shadowrunner, I'm on top of you. Oh, Biotic Fox, I think you're very close. You keep chatting. I'm basically helping you down. I'm on top of you, Shadowrunner. Wait, Vasu joined.
Vasu?
Vasu,
How?
I am recording
Vasu?
a video with Avik and Ashmik. Oh, I'm going back up.
Yo, I'm so scared. I'm alone.
Bro! A biotic fox. Bro, he ran away. Now I'm not helping him. Huh? I'll help him one time. Bro, I'm
Skeleton!
I am scared.
bro, I'm right on top of you again.
Oh, creeper!
I'm waiting. That's why I ran away.
Scared.
Not where are you?
I'm near you. I'm mining some iron. I don't care about anything.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Bro, my iron pickaxe broke.
Ashmik, I can see you.
Wait, Avik, is it you?
Bro, I think Vasu left. No, he's still in the game. He didn't
I
call
have
me.
2 hearts. Please, help.
Okay, do you have food?
No.
Okay, take this food and throw it over here. Take.
Bro, Bro, we are lost. I don't know where our way to go back to the surface is.
I know.
I only have.
Bro, you remember how to go back on the surface?
Half a heart.
Wait, you have redstone. We can make a compass to go back home.
Ashwin, come. I'm giving you food.
I'm scared.
Bye bye, Tata Ashmik. I don't even want to die.
Oh my god.
I'm burning. I'm important. I'm dying, guys.
I saved myself putting up area.
I'm dead.
Savior.
I'm saved. I'm half one and a half a heart.
Give me a crafting table and give me iron.
Look, the skeleton just
Place a crafting table and
Wait.
iron.
Yeah, I'll give. Wait, first I need to smell the iron then.
Where you do not have
I give all the smelted iron to Ashmik. I'll put a full
Look, the
stack in.
skeleton's still looking at me, but look, Robert.
Wait, why? Where is Vasu? I didn't try. He didn't call me yet.
Wait, is your recording on?
Yeah.